everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a pair of star skylights. These are basically a nightlight projector. You can put in your room. You have like an option to do stars, non-stars, and all the other stuff. The remote, and you can do music on it. It has a speaker basically. You also have different colors as well, green, blue, and then you can mix those colors. So you can do red and green, blue and red, or whatever, to be able to make different colors, which is cool. And that's pretty much it. So let's get into it. Alright, so right here you have the user manual. Just shows you everything that's included and some specifications of a charging cable for the device. It is not micro USB. The remote, make sure you have 2 AAAs on board because this does take 2 AAAs. The device itself. Let's get into this. Alright, so here it is. It looks pretty nice. As you can see, you have a speaker here, a speaker here, and maybe some ventilation right here, or maybe the speaker. I'm not too sure. You have rubber feet, or like foam feet, to help it. Right here you have the Bluetooth option, so you press that, it'll automatically go to Bluetooth and pair, and then you have like play, pause, and skip, mute for the USB port for downloaded songs. You have the little adjuster for brightness, so the lower is to the left, the higher is to the right. This is the power, and then right here you have the on and off switch, which I did test this already. Shipping took 2 weeks. Here it is, the remote. Like I said, 2 AAAs. Thankfully I have 2 AAA rechargeable batteries on here. On and off for the LED, on and off for the laser, which is the green little flash dot thing. You have red, green, blue, and white on all corners, and then right here you have the music mode options. The microphone in the middle is basically, it'll cycle through colors and make it feel like a party. S plus and minus, I don't know what that does honestly, but you have 2 different fade modes. You could turn on and off the laser light. You could turn on and off music mode, maybe. I don't know what that does. And you have a 1 and 2 hour timer and the brightness. So right here, let's plug it in to USB port. There we go. And that's literally it. And then you just turn it on and you're good to go. So as you can see, it's already on blue. Yeah, so it already paired to my thing, but that's pretty much it. And then you turn it on and off, like I said.
Power off.
Yeah, you can turn on that off and off for music is for the Bluetooth speaker. And then like I said, you can do the brightness. And then I don't know what this does. Oh, it spins it. It does make a little bit of noise. We're gonna go to show you what this looks like, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So you probably can't see it, but I have it right there. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna go and change it to a different color. Those are my LEDs. I'm gonna go ahead and turn them off for a bit. But as you can see, it lights up pretty well. The area looks really good. Let's go and change the color. So this is a mixture of red and blue. If you want to change the color, you have to turn off blue. So that's just stars. And then I could put red. As you can see, that's red and green. It looks really good. It's not as bright as I thought, but and that's on full brightness. It still looks good. And you also have white, which is actually pretty interesting. I'd never seen white before on one of these. This is my second one having one of these, but it is still pretty good. So I'm gonna keep it on red for now, and we're gonna change my lights to red as well. Hopefully you can see that. No, I'm gonna change it to blue. We'll just keep it like that. So it looks really cool, and then you can turn on and off the lasers. So as you can see, that's no laser. And then I can move the color with the S if I press this S plus, it'll start. And if I press the minus, it's dimming my lights right now, but it stops as well. So you can bring up the brightness for my LEDs, and then I could start it. That looks so good. I'm actually really happy now because I really wanted the motion, and this helps, and it looks way better with red ceiling, and just, yeah. So definitely worth it. And you also have the lasers, which I'm not gonna add for this one because this one looks nice. But yeah, and then you can turn on and off music. You can do a timer for, I'm gonna do 2 hours. And that just looks really good. I'm gonna go back to green. Looks so good. Definitely worth it. Link is in the description if you want to buy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.